Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Programming with Gautam. So in the previous video we have seen about hierarchical and hybrid inheritance. So today I'll be showing you how to make a spam bot, that is either a Instagram bot or a WhatsApp bot or a Facebook bot using Python. So let me create a new Python file, bot, spam bot. So now before doing anything, we'll have to install two packages, that is the PyAutoGUI. So let me write the command pip install PyAutoGUI. So you can see it is successfully installed on my PC. We'll write the code now. I'll import PyAutoGUI as P, and I'll import web browser as WB, and I'll import time here. So now with the help of the web browser, I'll open web.whatsapp.com. web.whatsapp.com. Since we are spamming through WhatsApp, I'll open WhatsApp there. Then I'll take time.sleep. I'll take this as 30. So because after this web.whatsapp is opened, it'll at least take about 30 seconds for that site to load. So so that we'll log in and select that particular chat. So that is the reason I'm taking 30 seconds here. Now I'll take for I in range of, I'll take 10 here guys, so that it will be easy and it will be short and simple. P dot press, we'll press keys here accordingly. H, same way E here, L, O. After writing hello, we'll write P dot press enter. So this enter works as an enter key guys here. So now let me run this program and log in on my WhatsApp, so that it will automatically send this spam. It will spam automatically for 10 times. So by default it is selecting my Edge browser. Now let me log in. As you can see, it is logged in here. After a few seconds, you can see this will automatically start spamming here now. As you can see, as we have given the loop for 10 times, it has sent this hello message for 10 times here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Similarly, you can also do this the same thing for Instagram and Facebook as well. Instead of web.whatsapp, we'll open facebook.com. Now let me run this program. Now it will open facebook.com, and I need to select some chat here so that it will spam. So let me take As you can see, it is automatically spamming there. It has already spammed for 10 times here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I don't know why this came for one time here. Okay, guys. Similarly, we can spam this, use this for Instagram as well. So let me show you for Instagram as well. So when I change this to for more than 10 times, so it will automatically spam for that many times there. So for example, I'll take 100 here and I'll open Instagram.com there. Now let me just open some chat here. So you can see it is continuously spamming there. There is no stop for this. Until and unless that loop becomes zero, it will go on spamming there. So I don't want that to happen here. So I'll just go over there and stop the board there. So by this time I stop the board, it has already typed hello, hello 2 times here, as you can see. So instead of opening anything also, if I just try open the something and I don't want to do anything there, I'll just keep the cursor here and leave. It will automatically start spamming there as well. So since we have given 30 seconds there, we need to wait, guys. There's no option. As you can see, it is going on writing hello, hello, hello for multiple times there. Okay, guys. So this is how you can spam on any website or anything. Okay, guys. So hope you have understood, guys. If you have understood, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Programming with Gautam. Thank you.